What date is it today? Grandma, look at our chicks. They have grown so big, and that too so fast.
Yes, Grandma. I remember that they came out of the eggs only 6 months back. Now they look very big. They look almost like a hen.
Yes, children, they have grown very fast.
But my friend has a 6-month-old baby sister. She is very small. She can't even walk or talk. She can't eat her food on her own. But look at these chicks, Grandma. They can walk. Run and eat their food by themselves. And they look so big too.
That's right, Minu. They grow big very fast. They become fully grown hens by the time they are 1 year old.
Oh, this is so funny, Grandma. A baby that is a month old just keeps lying down, crying and smiling sometimes. But 1-month-old chicks and puppies can walk, run, eat on their own and do so many things. Even dogs grow fully by the time they are 1 year old. Raja is now a puppy, but he will also become a dog by the time he is 1 year old.
That's right, Chino. But dogs and hens do not live very long. A hen lives for about 7 years and a dog lives for about 12 to 15 years.
Grandma, our hen is 5 years old. So she is already an old lady.
Yes, she is. So, that is why they all grow very fast and become big by the time they are 1 year old.
Grandma, did you know that a tortoise can live up to nearly 200 years? I read it in a book.
That's right, Chino. Tortoises live very long.
Grandma, are you knitting a sweater for me?
No, Buzz. I'm making this for Minu.
Can you make one for me also, please, Grandma?
But Buzz, I do not have enough wool to knit a sweater. You can all go to the market and buy some wool and come. Then I can knit you a sweater.
Okay, Meenu, Chinu, come. Let's go to the market.
Buzz, look. Look at this color. It is lovely. I am going to buy this for you.
I also like it, Meenu. It is very nice. What is this uncle writing? He is making a bill, Buzz. He will write what we have bought. And he will write the price. But what is this?
Oh, that is the date. Today is 5th of September. That's why he has written it like 5, 9, 2008. Look, this 5 means the date. Today is 5th, so he has written 5 here.
And September is the 9th month of the year.
How 9th month? Let me count. Chinu, will you help me count with your fingers? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. Oh yes, September is the 9th month. What is this 08?
That is the year, Buzz. This year is 2008, so we can write it as 2008 or write only the last 2 digits. That is 08.
Oh, is this how you write dates? Let us write more. Meenu, you tell me a date. I will write it on this mud.
Okay, 23rd March.
Meenu, that is your birthday. I will write it now. First, I will write the date. So, "23". Then I will put a slanting line like this. Then I have to write the month. January, February, March. So, March is the 3rd month. I have to write 3 here. Then
you can write this year itself as 08.
Buzz, now can you write 8th August?
yes, I can. It is 8 slanting line. 8 slanting line. 08. Oh, this date looks funny. It has so many 8s. 8 is the date. August is the 8th month. And this year is 2008.
If we have to write for the next year, August 8th, we have to write it like 8, 8, 09.
Oh, that's because next year is 2009. Then this number does not have all 8s.
But September 9th of next year will have 9s. Like 9, 9, 9, 09. Hee hee hee. Okay, Buzz. Now I will write a date. Will you tell me what it is? "16, 04, 08.
Okay, I will try. 16 is the date. 04 is the month. So the fourth month is April. And 08 is the year. So it is 16th April 2008.
That's right, Buzz. Now I will write one more. 31, 10, 08.
The 10th month is October. So it is 31st October 2008.
That's right, Buzz. October has 31 days. Chinu, now can you try this? "29, 02, 2008.
Yes, Meenu. 29th February 2008. Because February is the second month.
Oh, Chinu, this time you are wrong. February has only 28 days. You should have told Meenu that.
No, Buzz. I am not wrong, and Meenu is also not wrong. 2008 is a leap year. In a leap year, February has 29 days. See, you forget everything very fast.
Oh, now I know. February has 29 days in a leap year.
Oh, I forgot. We have to buy some medicines for Grandma. Come, let us go to the medical shop. Uncle, can you please give us these medicines?
Chinu, what is Meenu looking for in the medicine packet?
She is looking for the date of manufacturing and the date of expiry. We should never buy anything for which the date of expiry has finished.
Look here, Buzz. The date of expiry of this medicine is written as 0709.
Oh, now what has happened to this date? Why have they written it like this?
There is no date written here, Buzz. Only the month and year. Look, 07 means the 7th month. The 7th month of a year is July.
I know 09 means the year 2009.
That's right, Buzz. So this medicine can be had till July 2009. This month is only September 2008. So we can buy this medicine.
Now let me check this medicine bottle. Oh my God! It says used by 608. 6 means June, as June is the 6th month.
And the year is 2008. Oh no! That means we have to use this medicine by June 2008. This month is September 2008. So this medicine has expired 3 months ago.
Oh no! Uncle, you are giving expired medicine for our grandma. We will not buy this.
Sorry, children. I don't know how to read or write. That is why I did not know that the medicine has expired. You are very smart, children.
Uncle, you have to learn to read and write. If you keep expired medicines in your shop, they will harm people who buy it. There is an evening class in the village where many people go and learn.
Sure, children, I will join those classes. Thank you for telling me about the classes.
Come, let's go home quickly and give the medicines to Grandma.
Grandma, here are your medicines. And this is the wool for Buzz's sweater.
Thank you, children. Now you go out and play. I will make some puris and then call you.
Puris. My mouth has started watering. But Grandma, will it take 1 hour to make puris?
No, Buzz. It will only take a few minutes to make puris. Once the puris are made, you can come and eat them.
We will also take only few minutes to eat the puris, Grandma. Meenu, come, let's go and play.
Okay, let's play a funny game. Let's see how much we can jump up and down in a minute.
Cheenu, you start jumping. I will look at my watch and tell you when 1 minute is over.
Okay, I will start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, Chinu, you did 50 jumps. That is very good.
Meenu, can you snap your fingers? How many times can you snap your fingers in a minute?
Okay, I will start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, I did it 70 times. Chinu, now try to stand on one leg. Let's see how long you can stand like that.
Okay, I will stand. Meenu, you check the watch, okay?
Hee hee. That's done. You stood on one leg for 30 seconds. Now I will try.
Meenu, that's it. That's it. You did better than me. 45 seconds.
Okay, now we have to talk non-stop. Let's see how long we can do that.
Oh, no, Meenu. I don't want to play this game. Buzz will start buzzing non-stop then.
Children, come. The puris are ready.
Friends, we are going to eat tasty puris now. Do you know what date is today? Can you write it now? That's right. Very good. Friends, whenever you buy anything in the market, be careful and look at the expiry date. Do not buy things if their date of expiry is finished.
Shall we match the month number to the correct month? January,
One,
March,
three,
August,
eight,
February,
two,
May,
five,
November,
eleven,
October,
ten,
April, July,
seven,
September,
nine,
June,
six,
December,
twelve,
January,
one,
March,
three,
August,
eight,
February,
two,
May,
five,
November,
11,
October,
10,
April,
4,
July,
7,
September,
9,
June,
6,
December,
12,
Let's help Baz match the correct dates. Will you give the answers loudly? 5th September 2009. Five 909. 2nd October 2008. 2/10/08. 26th January 2009. 26/1/09. 15th August 2010. 15, 8, 10. 14 November 2007. 14/11/07. 5th September 2009. 5909. 2nd October 2008. 2/10/08. 26th January 2009. 26/1/09. 15th August 2010. 15/8/10. 14th November 2007. 14/11/07. Do you have your notebook and pencil? Great! Let us write the correct dates now. 7/2/08. 7th February 2008. 5/6/09. 5th June 2009. 21/12/08. 21st December 2008. 15/9/09. 15th September 2009. 29 10 08. 29th October 2008. 7707. 7th July 2007. 9909. 9th September 2009. 16808. 16th August 2008. 11/11/09. 11th November 2009. 26/1/10. 26th January 2010. Now let us write the dates again. 18th February 2008. 18 2 08. 9th April 2009. 9 4 09. 22nd June 2009, 22, 6, 09. 15th August 2008, 15, 8, 08. 6th July 2007, 6, 7, 07. 19th December 2009, 19, 12, 09. 11th November 2009, 11, 11, 09. 20th October 2010, 20, 10, 10,
Friends, Buzz needs help. Will you help him? But you have to answer loudly.
Babulal went to buy cough syrup from the chemist. The manufacturing date was written as 508 on the bottle. The expiry date was written as 710. Can you help Babulal to read them properly? 508 May 2008, 710 July 2010. Fatima went to buy wheat flour in the market. The packet had 2 dates. Will you help Fatima read it? Manufactured on 0308. Expiry 0209. Zero 0308 March 2008. 0209 February 2009. Joseph bought butter from the market. The manufacturing date in the packet was written as 0409. It was also written on the packet best before 3 months from the date of manufacturing. Can you tell Joseph before when he has to use the butter? Manufactured on 0409. So,
It is April 2009. Best before 3 months from the date of manufacturing. So, the butter has to be used by July 2009.